Hello guys. So today's video is on Meervoud plurals. Okay, going to be learning a bit Afrikaans today because I know that these things don't really stick in your brain, and we're always panicking and fretting about learning these rules quickly before an exam. So this is a good video to come back to when you need to learn some of the rules really, really quick. And the next day is your exam. So yeah, this is a great video for you because I will also be coming back to it most probably before a lesson that I do on Meervoud. Okay, so let's look at Meervoud plurals, right? So you have the first one is about short vowels, okay? So what are your vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Those are your vowel letters, okay? Just recapping. So your short vowels are when you have short vowels in an Afrikaans word like pan, kop, and then vis. So you're going to double the last letter and add an E. So here we have a short vowel in these words, which is the word. The vowel actually makes the word small. Okay, so pan, kop, and vis. It's not a long word. It's a short word with a short vowel. So you're going to double the last letter and then add a E. Okay, that's simple. Then you have words that end with OG. Okay, so oor and oorlog. And then when you have your words that end with OG, you're just going to add an OE, but with the two dots, okay, on the E. Then you have words that end with ING. You just have to add S in the end, okay? Koning and konings. Exceptions, we'll have, if you have the word leerling, you'll just add an E, you won't add an S. So that's an exception. You'll usually find a lot of exceptions in Afrikaans, so you just have to remember them. Right, let's look at twin vowels. So if we have a word that has two of the same vowels, you'll drop one vowel and add an E. So boort will become boorta, you'll drop one vowel. This only applies if you have two of the same vowels, okay? And then you have the words that end with AG. So they take an AE at the end. So if you have a word like vraag, you're just going to remove the AG and put AE in its place. Even dag, you'll remove the AG and put AE, okay? Right, short vowels plus F. So if you have words that end with F and they are short, you're going to take out the F and you're going to add two W's and E at the end. Okay? Right. Let's move on. The next one is short vowel and emphasis on the vowel. You just add an apostrophe S. So if there's an emphasis on the vowel where you're stretching the word, like for example, ma. So you'll have ma and then you'll have an apostrophe S and for the next one as well. So if there's an emphasis on the vowel, you're going to add an apostrophe S. Then we have double consonants. So we're not talking about vowels, we're talking about consonants, okay? So the consonant here, RK, the consonant here, RP, those are double consonants which take a E at the end. Then we have words that end with IG. So if you have gesig, it ends with IG, lig ends with IG, you're just adding a TE at the end. So it's going to be gesigte and ligte. Double vowels, not double twin vowels, double vowels, okay? Read the words. Here, double vowels are present in both the words, so they'll just take an E at the end,